Yeah. It's Marquez versus Bradley. We about to see who the best when they step inside the ring and they battling. Shake, rattle, and roll. The gloves is on. They both got the heart the size of King Kong. They had a showdown. They ain't cracked a smile, but they both got wins over Pacquiao. And I got what it takes to rock the mic. Ego in the place to be seen. And I got what it takes to rock the mic. You know I like to clown around a little bit in case you follow my channel. Anyway, that was a little tribute. I'll explain a little bit why for the hip-hop heads. You might understand when I make the reference. For those of you that don't listen to hip-hop, oh well, you're just out of the loop. Damn, I hurt my voice doing that freeway voice. Anyway, good evening, Fight World. It's your boy Ego. I'm back with some more boxing. Now, HBO, they just did their promo behind the scenes. Timothy Bradley versus Juan Manuel Marquez. I'm really looking forward to that fight. The fight did get pushed back due to the Mayweather-Canelo fight being announced. I think that was a smart decision because Mayweather-Canelo, you have two powerhouses that are really, really destined to sell. It's almost inevitable that it'll do high numbers. And although people want to see Marquez versus Bradley, I don't think the numbers, especially more on Bradley's side, Marquez has been in the sport a long time, so he kind of has a built-in fan base. Not saying Bradley doesn't have a fan base, but they don't typically do the type of numbers that I think the Mayweather-Canelo camp fight would do. Anyway, the reason I opened up with that whole rap freestyle shit was because in the behind-the-scene pictures, Timothy Desert Storm Bradley is looking a lot like rapper Freeway. So again, if you guys are hip-hop heads, you'll know rapper Freeway off the top. I also have this picture so you could do a side-by-side comparison. Freeway's the short rapper with the long beard from Philly, and that's exactly how he sounds when he raps. And that's what Timothy Bradley's looking like. It looks like Timothy Bradley gained weight. I mean, he still has a six-pack, but he looks big. And I remember seeing an interview with Timothy Bradley post Ruslan Provodnikov fight, and they were talking about how he was hurt multiple times in the fight, and he was saying that he was depressed basically after the Pacquiao win because he was receiving death threats and he wasn't being received properly for his win, and a lot of people like blackballed him in the fight world or the boxing world. So he went through a depression, a bit of a depression, and he said he got depressed and ballooned up to 185. And I believe I said it in the video, I was like, based on his frame, I don't know if he got to 185, but I can kind of picture it now because he looked pretty big in the pictures that I seen. So here's a couple behind the scene pictures. Let me know what you guys think. To me, he looks like Freeway. He grew his beard out and it's like kind of scraggly. He got the bald head, of course. All he needs is a Rockefeller chain and a Jay-Z verse, and we got rapper Timothy Bradley. So that's what I think. I haven't really seen any interview or actual. I've seen mostly pictures. So if I get any news on that, I'll let you guys know. Let you know what I think. Other than that, I'm really looking forward to the fight. Juan Manuel Marquez also looks like he gained some weight as well. It's crazy what these boxers do to make fight weights and stuff, because you could tell these guys, they're walking around weight versus what they come in weighing in at is vastly different, as you could tell by Timothy Bradley and also Marquez. But Bradley looks bigger to me. He looks like bigger from the last time I seen him, the Ruslan Provodnikov fight. Normally Bradley is really shredded. Like I said, he still has a six-pack, but he just looks pretty full, pretty thick. If I had to guesstimate, I would say he's probably 165 or better. I don't know exactly how much, but he normally fights at welterweight 147. But he looks like he's 165 or so. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of these pictures. What do you guys make of the actual fight? Timothy Desert Storm Bradley versus Juan Manuel Marquez. Let me know something. As always, hate, comment, or subscribe. Until next video, it's Ego signing off. Peace.